We made these super cute little white chocolate confetti eggs in a kids class the other day. They loved it. I thought you would also love it. You just need an egg mold, sprinkles, and white chocolate, or whatever shade of chocolate you want to use. We're going to start by adding the sprinkles to the mold cavities. You just need a little bit in there, as you can see here. I'm using honeyberry sprinkles. They're naturally colored using fruit powders. Next, fill each cavity with chocolate. You want to pour the chocolate really close to the mold so that you don't disturb the sprinkles too much. And then very gently tap it just to settle the chocolate, but not to disturb the sprinkles too much. When you're happy with the thickness of the shell, invert it over a bowl and tap to remove the excess chocolate. Once the drips shorten considerably, you're going to scrape it a few times to clean the surface of the mold, and then move your bowl out of the way and give it a good old scrape on the surface to remove all the chocolate on the top of the mold. Once the shells are set, they will contract away from the mold because tempered chocolate shrinks, so it'll come out really easily. To fuse them together, simply warm a pan and soften each edge and then press them gently together. The mold is a good place to put them to hold while they set. You can leave them hollow, or like I did with the kids, you can have them write fun little notes and put them inside. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more just like it. If you'd like to take your learning to the next level, I have a wide selection of on-demand learning that you can choose from, as you can see here. Go to my website. The link is in the description below.